so this is my first proper YouTube video. This video is going to be for people who are looking either to do their own gel nails or to do press-on nails. I'm going to give you like a list of the things you kind of need to buy to get into it, where I got it from, how much it was. Again, this is going to be my preference and kind of what I did to start doing press-on nails, so it's not going to be for everybody, but here we go. I do have to apologise for this video though, it's probably terrible quality and a horrible sound, but I'm doing what I can with what I have. I don't have the money to go and buy the stuff to make amazing videos for you guys. Hopefully in the future I can. The more YouTube videos I do, the better I'll get at this, hopefully. But please stay tuned and I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks. The number one thing you have to buy when you're doing press-on nails or gel nails is a nail lamp. This cost me £25 off Amazon, and yeah, it is expensive, but you can get cheaper ones and you can get more expensive ones. This one was a good middle for me and it had amazing views. This has lasted me a year now. It is phenomenal. It has a 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds and 100 seconds. As you can see, I use 100 all the time. But just kind of look at the comments and reviews and go for what one you think would suit. Number two is mainly for people who are looking to get into doing press-on nails. It just helps when you're doing details on nails, like nail art and stuff like that. It's just really handy to have. This was £15 off Amazon. You can get cheaper ones, more expensive ones, depending on the way you want your nail station to look. So just have a wee look about and see what's best for you. Number three, people that are doing their own nails, I would recommend to get stuff like this. I use a nail cream. You can use cuticle oil, whatever works best for your natural nail, and a nail kit of a cuticle pusher and a cuticle cutter. The nail set was £7 off Amazon and the cream was £4 off Amazon. People that are doing press-on nails still can be handy to get the wee nail kit because it's good for like mixing gel polishes and stuff together, and for cutting like nail tape and fidgety things you have to cut. But it's not a necessity, so you don't have to buy this to do press-on nails, but I would recommend it if you're doing your own. Number four is acetone. This is £10 off Amazon. I'd recommend going to Nile Nails. Theirs is about £4.99 and it's just a lot cheaper, so I would go there. This is necessity if you're doing gel polish. It gets gel polish off absolutely any surface. It's good for nail art. If you make a mistake, it'll just wipe it away like nothing has happened. And obviously it takes gel polish off when you're done with it. You soak it and it'll come straight off. So I would recommend getting this if you're doing your own or if you're doing press-on nails. Number five is nail files. I do have to apologise for the look of these. My new ones hadn't come in yet when I filmed this, so I do apologise for that, but yeah. I get mine from Nile Nails mainly. They're about 99p off there. You can get like a pack of Amazon ones, but I would just recommend going to Nile Nails. It's a lot cheaper and a lot better quality. Number six is base coat and top coat. Base coat helps your natural nail be protected from gel polish, and if you're doing press-on nails, it helps stick the gel polish to the nails. And top coat basically takes away the sticky residue of gel polish after you cure it, and it just seals on your design so it lasts a lot longer. This was about £8.99 off Amazon, but there's 1,000 different brands on there, so just kind of have a look about the reviews and stuff and see what ones suits you the best. Number seven is mainly for people doing press-on nails, because I go through black and white gel polish like it's water. White gel polish is just a versatile colour and you can mix it with a lot of pigments to make new colours, and it's just done a lot of nail designs. Black nail powders just sit on black gel polish a lot better. This was £8.99 off Amazon, but you can get black and white gel polish off it anywhere. Just kind of have a look about, but I would recommend getting this if you're doing press-on nails. Number eight, one of the best things about gel polish, all the different colours. This was £25 off Amazon for 20. I'd recommend going for something like this if you're just starting off your gel polish journey, because one individual bottle of gel polish per colour can be about £15, which is really expensive. So to get as many colours as possible, as fast as possible and as cheap as possible, I'd do something like this. The colours are vibrant, they're beautiful, they're just not as big as proper gel polishes, so it won't last you as long, but it's just a good thing to start off with. It gives you a solid base. Number nine is boring old kitchen roll. I know it doesn't sound fun and it's exciting, but it is a necessity, because I cut mine into individual little squares because it's a lot cheaper, and it doesn't mean you can use one square of kitchen roll for a little tiny bit of gel polish. And when you're doing if you're doing nail art, you can dip your brush off and dry it off on the kitchen roll, and it wipes up gel polish. It helps you when you're doing nail art. It just wipes away the design like there was absolutely nothing there. So Very handy to have, cheap and probably already in your house. Number 10, press-on nails go for £5 to £15, depending on the shape and stuff like that. So have a look on Amazon, go for the ones that have the best reviews because they're usually the best nails. Number 11 is nail stands. These are obviously for people that are doing press-on nails. These go from about £5 to £15. You do need to get blue tack, sometimes it comes with it. It sticks the press-on nail itself to the nail stand, and they come in lots of fun different shapes and colours, so you can pick whatever one suits you. Number 12 is glitter, and from now on this is going to be like the added extras. You don't need to get this to do gel polish, but it's highly recommended. So you can get like a 24 pack of glitter off Amazon for like £10. You can use craft glitter, nail glitter, makeup glitter, any type of glitter, it doesn't matter. I get mine from Amazon, Nile Nails and Candy Nails UK. They're really good for glitters and like water decals and stuff. They're a really fun website. I go check them out, and Nile Nails, I check them out too. Number 13 is Rhinestones, another non-essential item. They go for about £5 to £20 depending on what you're wanting. It's rhinestones and like the cool stuff you can stick on your nail. I don't know what they're called. Yeah. I'd recommend getting them if you're doing press-on nails. It just gives you a more wider range of nail designs you can do. And if you're doing your own gel polish and you have the money, it's just fun. I'd recommend getting that. I think it's really cool. And you can express yourself more. 14 is nail powders and pigments. Pigments go for a 24 pack for like 14, and nail powders go from like £5 to £15. So yeah, nail powders are really good to put over gel polishes. It gives it a new look, like holographic ones and stuff like that. They're just really fun. Pigments are good to mix with top coat and base coat. It makes colours that people don't even buy. It's phenomenal colours they make, so I would recommend getting stuff like this. Number 15 is nail art brushes and a nail palette. Nail art brushes go from £5 to £20, and nail palettes go from like £1 to £5.99. This one was £5.99. Nail palettes are good for separating your colours, or if you want to mix different colours together, they're just really good for that. I'd recommend getting a cheap pack of nail art brushes from Amazon, feeling out what ones you work with the best, and buy a more expensive one based on the sizes you want or the sizes you feel more comfortable in using in your nail art design. Number 16 is nail art paint. They go from like, I don't know, £5 to £20. These are the ones that I have purchased, and I'd recommend getting stuff like this if you're really into nail art. It's kind of useless if you're just doing simple nail art designs. If you want more detailed ones and ones that are more pigmented and a lot easier, I'd get stuff like this. Because if you're using gel polish, it can be really thin and you'd have to do a lot of layers to actually get the pigmentation you want on the nail. These do it first time, first try, good to go, but they are a bit expensive, so I would just get them if you have the money. Thank you so much guys for watching. There's all my social medias if you want to keep up on what I'm doing, and hopefully my next YouTube video will be a lot better. Thanks again for watching. Bye!